Welcome to Longest Medical. This video is about trolley installation. Installation of base and column. Place the small reinforcing plate in the hole of the base cover. Insert the aluminum component into the base cover. On the back of the base cover, screw in the M10*40 hexagon screw with a 510 spring washer. And tighten them an internal hexagon wrench 5/8 mm. Desktop installation. Loosen the M6*16 hexagon screw to leave a gap of 3.5 mm to 4 mm between the square nut and the support. Be careful not to tighten. The square nut has a gap of 3.5 mm to 4 mm between the support plate. Pay attention to the order of the screws, elastic pads and flat pads. Before installing the mesa, the top cover and top cover, the shorter cover in the column must be removed for installation. Insert the square nut and the large countertop assembly into the column rail together. And lock the screws in the previously reserved position with an Allen wrench 5/5 mm. Then, install the top cover and top cover on the column. The top cover with the notched section facing down. Accessory basket installation. Hang the accessory basket into the jack on the large counter. Metal basket installation. Finally, unfold the folded metal basket and bolt the adjacent surfaces at the corners of the metal basket. Hang the installed metal basket on the column hook under the large countertop.